Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gyan Refresh. Today in this video, I would like to introduce you to a topic which is relevant to climate change and to mitigate that the use of several metals which are of high demand. So in this line, we have chosen lithium, which is prime ingredient in battery manufacturing as well as energy storage devices. I will give you a brief introduction about lithium elements and its important properties as well as trends of demand and supply. As you know, lithium is an alkali metal with low atomic mass, high charge and power to weight ratio, which makes it special to use in energy storage devices. About 20 to 70 parts per million amount of lithium is present in Earth's crust, and some of the important properties along with their values are highlighted for your reference. At the bottom of the right side, you can observe from the key phrase pattern search that lithium is one of the highly relevant and growing topic in research. You can observe the consumption and production pattern of lithium metal in last 12 years, where you can see after 2010 the growth is increasing rapidly. Also the trend of increase is found to be at the rate of 10%. You can see there is a sudden change in the demand supply values after 2016. This is basically due to the declaration of Paris Climate Change Summit Agreement as per the United Nations framework. So, from the consumption pattern, it is very clear that there is a demand of lithium in the world. So, further we can cascade where are the usages of lithium metal. You can observe from the left hand side of the pie chart of lithium demand in 2015 in various sectors, out of which 32% is accounted for battery application. The right hand side pie chart depicts the prediction of demand of lithium in 2021 in various sectors. You can observe that there is an increase in the demand of lithium for battery application in 2021. The value has increased from 32% to 50%. Other main applications of lithium are in silica high temperature processing as well as manufacturing of lubricating grease. As I have already mentioned that lithium ion battery generates 3 volt per cell compared to conventional battery such as lead acid battery which generates 2.1 volt per cell, and zinc and carbon batteries generate 1.5 volt per cell. This particular low mass to charge ratio makes lithium a special metal. Further, the usage pattern of lithium in 2017 and 2019 are given. From these two figures, you can observe the increase in battery application at a higher rate. Now, let us understand where are the resources of lithium metal. Generally, lithium is available from two different sources. First is from ore deposition and second is from brine solution. You can observe from the table the list of important deposits along with resource quantity and lithium concentration. Also you can observe most of the resources are from South America countries such as Chile, Argentina and Bolivia. Also it is present in United States of America, China, Australia, Serbia and Congo. Let us go deeper into these important resources as well as production patterns of lithium in the world. You can observe from the world map more than 50% resources as well as production of lithium is from South America. Similarly, 40% of the production of lithium is from Australia and other resources have been indicated in the map for your reference. All these values have been declared in 2017 by United States Geological Survey. As there is an increase in the demand of lithium, there is a continuous effort of measuring new deposits through exploration. You can see about 50% of the lithium reserve is accounted from Chile and 16% from Australia. If you further analyze the distribution of lithium resources, you can see the exact values as shown in the graph. Among the lithium producing countries as mentioned, Australia, Chile, China, Argentina, Zimbabwe, Portugal, Brazil, Namibia, the production pattern is very interesting and can be observed in the graph. The values mentioned against 2019 are not actual values as the reporting was not completed during preparation of this report. Another basic and interesting aspect is the price of the lithium. You can observe after 2016 there is dramatic shift in the lithium carbonate price from $8,650 to $15,000. The values mentioned against 2019 may not be fully accurate due to partial reporting. That's all for this video. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Also, I have listed a few relevant bibliography for further reference and reading. Thank you. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon and choose all for getting each notification from our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.